Good morning to all the parents and my dear student. Welcome to online class of 7th day Adventist Nursery and Primary School. How are you students? I am fine here. I hope all are fine in the grace of God. So you all know that we can't come to school because of coronavirus lockdown. So don't worry students, hereafter we will meet you in the online classes. I am your class teacher of 4th standard. My name is Mrs. Rekha. Today I am going to teach you English subject. We will see English lesson 1 today. So what is the lesson topic is? The topic is the trick robot. The trick robot. You all know that robot, how it look like? A robot look like a human being, right? And here, what is the use of the robot? Robot is controlled by electronic remote and it look like human being. It can do all the work as like it can sit, it can walk, and it can do all things as like it's a human being. So, robot is used in day-to-day life like factories, and then hospitals, education side, in many other fields. Today, we will see the lesson. The topic is the trick robot. In this lesson, first I introduce the characters. So what are the characters? Only 3 characters here. There was a boy, the small boy, little boy. The boy name was Vicky. Vicky is a small boy and Vicky's father of Vicky. And then another character is Robert. So Robert is a trick robot. So I'll tell you the story of this lesson now. We will see in the book. Now we move on to the lesson. The lesson topic is the trick robot. So here a little boy named Vicky. Vicky was a lazy boy. What is mean by lazy? Lazy means did not do any work. Always sitting and sleeping. Did not do any work. So Vicky was a lazy boy. He never do his homework also. He never do anything. He can take any things also. He did not kept in the right place. So he was very lazy. And one day Vicky asked his father to buy a robot. So Vicky loved Robert very much, so he asked Robert to his father. The father first he agreed, and later he decided to buy a trick robot. But Vicky did not know it was a trick robot. So the father wanted him to become an active boy. So Vicky was very lazy, so Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy. So he bought him a robot? Trick robot. It was a tricky robot. Vicky did not know it was a tricky robot. So he was very glad to have a robot to do all his work. So he was very happy. At the first he was very happy and he thought that Robert was very intelligent to do all the work. So he was very excited to test his new robot. So Vicky decided to give first work. So what was the work means? Vicky said that I am hungry, cook some salad for me. So Vicky informed this work to Robert. Now let's see what Robert answered. I do not eat salad, so I cannot make the salad. So tricky Robert said that I do not make a salad because I don't like it. Vicky gets very angry and he said that he decided to give another work. So what was the work is? First look here. This is, you are a robot. You can't refuse me. Clean my room now. So Vicky informed to Robert to clean the floor. But the robot refused to do the work. And what he said, I do not do the work. Again, Vicky gave another work. So what was the work is, ask the robot to pick up the phone call. Bring my phone and charge my phone. But robot said that I won't do it. I have a call to talk. So if you want to charge your phone, you can go and do by yourself. Vicky gets angry. Again, Vicky get headache, so much of headache. So Vicky informed Robert to bring me a cup of hot tea. But the robot said that my battery is draining by listening you. I am listening you, what all many work you gave, I am listening you. So my battery was so low. So first you charge my battery. This said by Robert. Vicky again gets angry and said that I had severe headache. So you play me a pleasant song for me. So put a song for me to listen for a relaxation. Again the robot said that, oh, it was a great idea. First you go and play a song for me, said by Robert. So Vicky gets angry again and informed to his father, Father, I don't like this robot. The robot did not do anything. So you please sell the robot to the active master. Yes, this time, Robert replied, yes, this time please sell me to an active master. I don't want to work for lazy people. Now Robert said to Vicky what it said, I don't want to work in the lazy people. So please sell me to the active master. Really, is that why you did not help me? Now Vicky said that, Daddy, I don't want this robot. I can do all the work by myself. I no need anything. I no need any robot hereafter. I can do all the things by myself. I become very active hereafter. I won't be lazy. So what is the lesson here you learn? That is, you should not be lazy. Be active always, and you should do all your work by yourself only. Don't depend on anyone. Right? Are you clear, children? Vicky was very lazy and he informed Robert to do all the work, but the trick robot was very talented and it decided to do all the work by Vicky. So the lazy boy changed into an active boy. Are you clear, children? Next we move on to the glossary here. First we see the glossary. Plead. What is meant by plead? Plead means request. The Vicky pleaded to his father to buy a robot. Plead means request. Refuse. Refuse means reject or disagree. Not to do anything. If any work gave means the Vicky refused. Refused means not to do. Pleasant. Pleasant means happy, joy. Next we move on to the choose the correct answer. Vicky wanted a dash to do all his work. What work? Vicky wanted a dash to do all his work. What is the answer? Vicky wanted what? A robot. Vicky father bought a dash robot. What robot? Lazy robot, trick robot, active robot. Which is the correct answer here? Yes, trick robot. Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. What Vicky decided to do at last? Whether he keep it by himself or sell it or price it. Yes, the answer is Vicky decided to sell the robot at the end. Robert asked Vicky to sell him to an dash master. What master? Lazy master or active master? Vicky decided to sell him to a active master. Yes, correct. Are you clear, children? Next we move on to the true or false. Vicky pleaded his father to buy a robot. Yes, it is correct. Vicky requested to his father to buy a robot. That is true. Vicky was an active boy always. He was an active boy or a lazy boy in the beginning. He was a lazy boy, but here it given active boy, so it is false. The robot did not obey his master. The robot did not obey his master. Yes, it is correct. It is true. The robot did not obey. Vicky's father decided to change his son character. Yes, it is true. His father decided to change the character of his son. True. Next we move on to answer the question answer. What kind of a boy was Vicky? In the beginning, what kind of a boy was Vicky? Vicky was a lazy boy. Vicky was a what boy? Lazy boy. What's the spelling for lazy? L-A-Z-Y. Lazy means what? Not to do any work. Who asked the robot to attend the phone call? Who asked the robot to attend the phone call? Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. Are you clear, children? Next. Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Vicky wanted Robert to do all his work. Vicky wanted Robert to do all his work. Here you write only Robert here. Who wanted? Vicky wanted what? Robert to do all his work. How did Vicky change at last? Change at the end. Vicky decided to do all the work by himself at last. At last, Vicky decided to do all the work by himself. What did you learn from this lesson? We should be very active and not lazy. We should be active and not lazy. Are you clear, children? Next, we move on to the match the dialogue to the character. Match the dialogue to the character. I will do all the work myself. Who said that at last? Yes, it is Vicky. Vicky said, I will do all the work by myself. First, you charge my battery. It is said by whom? This is Robert. Robert said that. First, you charge my battery. It is Robert. I have bought you a robot. Who bought a robot to Vicky? Yes, his father. His father bought a new robot. Are you clear? Next we move on to name the character or speaker. Said by whom? These words said by whom? The robot will do all your work. The robot will do all your work. This line said by whom? Vicky's father. Vicky's father. Why don't you do that yourself? Why don't you do that yourself? This line said by Robert. You want me to strain my back? You want me to strain my back? This line said by Robert. Play me a pleasant song. This line said by Vicky. This line said by Vicky. Are you clear, children? The lesson is over now. I'll give you some homework also at last. That homework I sent you in the photo. Okay? Keep that homework and do that homework by yourself in the note and send that photo in the WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt in the lesson, you can make a call and ask in the WhatsApp number. Next we move on to the grammar section. Now listen, today I am going to teach what is singular and what is plural form. What is singular and what is plural form. Now first we see about singular. What is singular? Singular means only one. Next, plural. Plural means more than one. First we see what is singular. Singular means a naming word which is used for one person or thing is called singular. So it mentioned only one. It may be a person or a thing. Next we move on to plural. Plural means more than one. That is a naming word which denotes more than one person or thing is called plural. It denotes more than one person or thing. For example, we will see in singular bat. Bat means only one bat. In plural, we can say that bats. Bats means more than one. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than anything, we can say bats. So it is plural. So singular bat, plural bats. Next, we move on to some examples. Some tips to change singular to plural. That is, simply add yes. Simply add yes. If you add yes to the singular, it should be changed into plural. For example, cup. Singular, cups. Plural. Ball. Singular, balls. Many balls. That is plural. I'll give you some more example for this plural form. That is bag, bags, bone, bones, cake, cakes, face, faces, finger, fingers, flower, flowers, door, doors. It's more than many words we can change singular into plural by adding only yes. This is one form. Next we move on to another form, that is add es for the naming words ending with ch, sh, yes, ss and x. For example, torch, torches, brush, brushers, bus, buses, glass, glasses, box, boxes. So these all the words you can add es at last. So those words ending with ch, sh, yes, ss and x. So you add what? Es. Es at last for plural. For example, torch, torches. I'll give you some more example for this. That is bench, benchers, branch, branches, church, churches, dish, dishes, brush, brushes, box, boxes. So these are the example. Next we move on to the next page, that is simply add yes if any one of vowel sound, that is vowel sound comes before y. What is vowel? A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U, that is vowel. The word, the letter comes before y. For example, you take K-E-Y, key. So here K-E-Y, key, the last letter is y. So y before word should see that it is a vowel word or a consonant word. So look here, y before word is vowel, that is A-E-I-O-U, vowel letter. So if it may come means you add only yes at last. For example, key, keys, toy. So toy also T-O-Y, toy. The y before word O. O comes in the vowel. So you add only yes in the plural. Clear, student? Next we move on to the, so I'll give you some more example for this one, vowel sound. I'll give you some more example, that is monkey, monkeys, day, days, donkey, donkeys, ray, rays, chimney, chimneys. So these are some of the example for the vowel sound. Next we move on to the change the y into IES if any one of A, E, I, O, U does not come before. does not come before Y means it is not a vowel, it is a consonant word. So, for example, L-A-D-Y. The last letter is Y. So, Y before letter is a vowel word or a consonant word. So, this D is a consonant word. So, this is not a vowel letter. So, if consonant letter comes before Y means you add IES at last. Clear? Lady, lady, ladies. Baby. So, baby here, B-A-B-Y. The last letter is Y. Y before letter is B. B is a vowel or a consonant. So, this is a consonant word. So, you add IES at last. So, change the Y into IES if any one of A-E-I-O-U does not come before Y. A-E-I-O-U does not come before Y. You add IES at last. So, I'll give you some more example for this consonant, that is army, armies, baby, babies, city, cities, fairy, fairies, lily, lilies, story, stories, party, parties, dictionary, dictionaries. So, many examples for this consonant word. Next, we move on to the tick the correct answer for the plural form. So, first here given is fly, F-L-Y, fly. So, what is the plural form for fly? Flies, F-L-I-E-S, flies. Bush, bushes. Bench, benchers. Boy, boys. Dog, dogs. Fox, foxes. So, these are all the plural forms. Next, we move on to this one also you can change into plural form. That is, what is this? C-A-T, cat. Cat means plural form is cats. Watch, watchers. Dish, dishers. Cherry, cherries. Are you clear, student? So, I'll give you some homework also for you. Do it yourself in the home. Stay home and keep healthy. Thank you.